welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reach the secret fishing spot in Classic Island after the latest Fish It update. First, just go to Classic Island as usual, and then once you arrive, just follow the exact path that I'm taking, like this. We're going towards the left side of the island and keep walking all the way until you are almost at the very edge of the map, like this, just like this over here. And then when you reach this area, just simply walk straight through the wall like this. Yes, just go forward and you will pace right into it, and then you will enter a hidden room that has now been upgraded and decorated compared to before, like this. It looks much nicer and it's still perfectly safe. And okay, now you can enjoy fishing in this secret spot without any interruptions. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!